So one of my most asked questions by far is what I do to my eyelashes to make them so long and so thick. And although I did make a video about this 4 years ago on my channel showing you my DIY lash growth serum that I swear by, I did tweak it since then and I've made it a lot better and a lot more effective. So in this video, I'm not only going to be sharing with you my DIY lash growth serum that will give you results really quickly, but I'm also going to be sharing with you some of my tried and true lash growth secrets that are going to give you the most beautiful, long, thick, healthy lashes that you've always wanted. So without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. All right, so I have my little basket of goodies on my lap here. This is actually my daughter's basket that she uses to put a bunch of her toys in that I borrowed for this video because it's super cute. So I could put some of the products in here that I'm going to be talking about in this video. So my first lash growth tip that I wanted to share with you guys is to minimize the amount of makeup that you wear on your eyes. The reason why you want to do this is because certain products can block the hair follicles, so it can prevent vital nutrients and oxygen from getting into the hair follicle that helps promote healthy hair growth. So that's why you want to minimize the amount of products you put on the eye area. If you just like wearing makeup in general, then I would advise looking for makeup that is made from as natural ingredients as possible. That way they won't block those vital hair follicles and you'll still be able to enjoy healthy, long and thick lashes. So I wanted to suggest my favorite non-toxic, clean, natural mascara that I have been using for years. It's by Ilia. This is hands down the best all-natural mascara that I have ever tried. The formulation on this is really beautiful. It doesn't clump and the brush nicely separates your lashes really beautifully. And I find that with this, the more times you use it, the better the application of the product is. So with my experience, the first 2 or 3 times that I would use this mascara, once I opened the mascara tube up, it wouldn't give me as much volume as I wanted, but the more I used it and the more I guess the formula kind of dried down a little bit, the results just got better and better. So if you are looking for a natural mascara, I'll link this one below because it's hands down my favorite. So with my experience, whenever you wear eye makeup, it's really hard to remove it. And whenever you are tugging and pulling on your lashes and rubbing them really hard, you loosen the lash hairs and it causes a lot of fallout. So it makes your lashes look a lot more sparse. It doesn't give your lashes the opportunity to reach their fullest potential, if you will, in terms of length and volume. So that's why if you're going to be wearing makeup and you're going to be removing your makeup, I would advise investing in super high quality products to do that. So the first product I wanted to recommend is a natural, non-toxic makeup cleansing balm that will help melt your eye makeup away and make it easier to remove. I've tried a bunch of natural cleansing balms and to be honest, most of them don't really work that well. They kind of just move your makeup around on your eyes and I feel like I have to cleanse my eye area so many times. This by Pharmacy, the Green Clean, is by far the best cleansing balm for my eye area that I have come across so far. If you guys have tried this and if you've tried something else that's better, please let me know in the comments below because I'm always on the hunt for the best skincare products and anything that will make removing eye makeup super easy. In general, I also wanted to mention that this mascara is not the most difficult mascara to remove, so you don't need something super heavy duty, which is really nice. But I really enjoy using this cleansing balm. It smells amazing. It melts in your fingers the moment you start massaging it, and a little bit goes a long way. So after I use this cleansing balm to kind of soften and melt my makeup away, I will use the face halo. For those of you who've never heard of the face halo, this is honestly such a game changer in removing your makeup. All you need is water and you just use this to remove the makeup on your face and eye area, and honestly it's the most effective and gentle way to remove your makeup. It removes, I would say, probably 80 to 90% of the makeup around your eye areas and pretty much 90% to 95% of the makeup on your face area. I do cleanse after using this, but it makes the cleansing process so much easier, and honestly the combination of these two together, I find it has been the most gentle on my eye area. So one of my super bad habits that I have been trying to break for years, and I am a lot better at it now, is avoiding rubbing my eyes. I often do this when I am super tired. I will just go in with the palm of my hand and start rubbing away. And it's a habit that causes your eyelashes to break, to fall out, and it hinders their growth. So it's something that I try to be really aware of and try to minimize it as much as possible. Another habit that causes a lot of friction on your eyelash area and causes them to fall out and break is sleeping on your stomach or sleeping on your side. Now, personally, I am a side sleeper, so for me, it's really difficult to sleep on your back, even though I hear from everybody that this is the healthiest way to sleep. No matter how hard I try, if I fall asleep on my back, I always end up sleeping either on my side or my stomach. So if you're like me and you're a stomach or side sleeper, I would recommend getting this beauty pillow. It's by Sleep and Glow. I mentioned it in a few of my videos before, and you guys seem to love it just as much as I do. Honestly, it's such a game changer, especially if you're like me and like sleeping on your side, because it kind of hugs the side of your face to prevent friction on your pillow. I also have a silk pillowcase on my Sleep and Glow pillow, so it not only minimizes the friction on my eye area, but it also minimizes the friction on my hair and my skin, so it helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles, sagging skin. It also makes my hair a lot healthier and extends my hairstyles anytime I style it. Since I started using the beauty pillow, I can honestly say I don't remember the last time I had a day when it looked like I had crazy bad hair. So if you guys are interested in checking out the Sleep and Glow beauty pillow, I'll also link it down below. I'm pretty sure my discount code still works for them, so I'll leave all that information down below.
Is this Mama's pillow or is this Ari's pillow?
Mama.
It's Mama's pillow, yeah?
So those are the lash growth hacks, basically, that I have been doing for the last couple of years in addition to my lash growth serum. So now I want to talk about the lash growth serum. It is so important to nourish your lashes and hydrate them and condition them. I kind of look at my eyelashes like I do the hair on my head. Just like the hair on your head, eyelashes go through a growth cycle where you'll get growth and you'll get shedding. So what you want to do is during that growth phase, you really want to make sure that you're giving your eyelashes the best chance possible to grow as long and thick as genetically possible. Results will range from person to person because everybody's lashes are naturally a certain length, but the tips and tricks I'm sharing with you in this video and also the eyelash growth serum that I'm going to share with you is going to help you get the best out of the eyelashes that you were born with. So the lash growth serum that I've been using for the last few years, I've been tweaking it and perfecting it and making it as effective as I possibly can to really take the opportunity of this growth phase, and I use it every single day, day and night. It's 100% natural, clean, non-toxic, so it's not going to damage your eyes in any way. And if you apply it in the way that I'm going to show you in this demonstration, it shouldn't irritate your eyes and it shouldn't get into your eyes. Now, of course, everybody's different. I had a bunch of my friends try out this formula and they didn't have any irritation, but I would recommend, as with any product, to always do a patch test before applying anything to your eye area. So what I like to do is I take a little bit of whatever product that I am trying out for the first time, and I will swatch a little bit on my wrist and wait an hour or so just to make sure that I'm not allergic to it and it doesn't create an irritation. So I just wanted to mention that before showing you my lash growth serum, because of course if you're applying anything onto your skin, especially your eye area, you want to make sure that you test it really thoroughly. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how I make my lash growth serum.
To make my lash growth serum, you will need 4 ingredients: aloe vera gel, castor oil, vitamin E, and rosehip oil. I wanted to note that the quality of ingredients here is also very important, as you want to make sure the products are going to be the most effective in getting you results and also safe enough to use around the eye area. So I'll link the ones I use in my description box below. You'll also need a storage bottle like this to hold your serum and a brush for applying the serum to your lashes. You can use a Q-tip, liner brush, or a spoolie if you prefer, but I personally feel like it's easiest for me to apply the serum to my lashes with an angled brush like this to prevent it from getting into my eyes. I also like using these dark glass bottles because they have UV filters in the glass that will protect the serum from expiring too fast. I would recommend making a fresh batch of the serum every 30 days or so to make sure it's the most effective. So the measurements I'm going to give you will last you the full 30 days and is also enough to apply on your eyebrows if you wanted to as well. Okay, so for the base, I start out with about 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. This creates a very nice serum-y consistency and also provides the lash line with a lot of moisture, hydration, and nutrients. Then I add about half a teaspoon of castor oil. You want to be careful not to use too much of this because it can make the serum too thick and will prevent it from absorbing into your lash line properly. But castor oil is a wonderful oil that stimulates hair growth and decreases breakage. It also increases blood circulation to the hair follicles so that the hair can grow faster. Next, I add about half a teaspoon of vitamin E, which is an excellent lash conditioner to help your lashes grow strong and healthy. Lastly, I add 1 pipette of rosehip oil to the mixture. This is a powerhouse oil that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that will help you achieve longer, thicker, and healthier lashes. Okay, so once you've added all of your ingredients, you want to shake the bottle really hard like this for a couple minutes until they're all combined. I have been applying this serum to my lash line and eyebrows every morning and night on clean skin for the last few years, and I swear by it. If you try this and also follow the other tips in this video, I promise you'll start seeing results in 2 to 4 weeks. If you do try this, please come back and comment down below to share your results with me. I would love to hear your feedback.
So that wraps up today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Usually you will start to see results around 2 to 3 weeks. And with consistent use, you're gonna get the max results in about 2 to 3 months. So keep using it, be patient. In the beginning, I know it's hard because you don't really see dramatic results, but I promise you, especially if you take a before picture before you start applying it, and then you take it at the end of the 2 to 3 month period, I promise you, you will see results. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your guys' love and support. If you enjoyed this video and you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next one.